feeling hot, hot, hot.
You're a cocktail, my dear?
I'm planning to beat the heat with my friend Angela.
Here's to an interesting day by the pool.
Enjoy.
Thank you, Tom.
Nectar of the gods.
But just as we kick back, is our happy hour hijacked? Is it safe to go into the water?
Tom, there's a problem with the pool.
No!
Angela's plan to take the plunge may be all wet, but it's not because of Jaws Jr. there.
The water's not moving. Something must be broken.
Seems we may have bigger fish to fry.
I guess we'll have to call the repairman.
This week on Marketplace.